and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. CM estimates 60% of mining will fit in legal parameters. Government to formulate schemes for mining dependents by January will raise issue before Prime Minister and NDC meet. Mining dependent people set to take out mega morcha on Tuesday in Panjit. Thousands of people from mining belt to hit the capital city. Ruling and opposition back morcha. Chief Minister to raise Tilari and Madha issue before Prime Minister. Sawantwadi MLA Kesarkar asked Goa government to provide jobs or one-time settlement to Tilari affected. Parrikar says never committed government jobs. High Court not happy with government's measures against illegal sand mining, says just fine not enough, need to be more stringent, hints at confiscating sand transporting trucks. And Regan Pinto guides Goa to first innings lead over Himachal Pradesh in Ranji Trophy, match heading for a draw. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has hopes that 60% of mining will fit in legal parameters. While speaking to media on Monday, he said that government will declare assistance scheme for mining dependent people by January. The picture of mining in state will be clear within a month and a half. Parrikar has claimed that CEC's report cannot be relied upon as it is influenced by the petitioner NGO. He will raise mining issue before the Prime Minister during NDC's meeting in Delhi.
Goa Sarkaran सांगलेल्या प्रमाणे we have decided that whatever the people have, the mine owners have submitted their documents, we are starting their scrutiny of those documents from tomorrow. And we expect within a month's time to complete the scrutiny. Goa Sarkar आपल्या सायडीच्यान म्हणजे गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाच्या सायडीच्यान मायनी खंयच्यो क्लियर आसा, खंयच्यो ग्रे एरियन आसा आनी खंयच्यो ब्लॅक एरियन आसा ह्या संदर्भात आपलो डेटा रेडी दवरतले. There is a meeting of National Development Council. I will be taking up the issue of environment clearances and other relevant issues. आणि प्रायम मिनिस्टराकूय अर्ज करतलो की बेगींतल्या बेगीन ह्यो गजाली मेकळ्यो करच्यो. म्हणजे जरी स्कीम डिक्लेअर जाली जानेवारीन तरी तांकां बेनिफीट 1 ऑक्टोबराच्यान दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो ज्या ज्या जाग्यार शक्य आसा त्या स्किमी. थोड्या स्किमींनी आतां रोजगार दिता हांव 1 ऑक्टोबराच्यान दिवूंच शकना. जानेवारी भितर कश्यो करून आपल्यो काही स्किमी चालूय जातल्यो. Some schemes may take February to get implemented. One is supplementing them financially, either by talking to the bank and stopping interest, reducing interest. Goa government is telling Supreme Court that we are sincere in our efforts. CEC should have given the facts to the Supreme Court. They have not given all the facts. One major important parameter which indicates that Goa government has stopped all mining activity including transportation are the orders of both the collectors stopping mining transport. But I feel that they should have acted independently. What I saw all the time is the applicant, all of you sitting with the CEC. So माझ्या हिशोबान 60% mining ह्यो legal frameworkan बसूंक शकता. काही गोष्टी तांचे जर तू इरेग्युलर असत जाल्यार तांच्यांनी त्यो पेनल्टी जे कितें कायद्या प्रमाणे आसा ते भरून दे कॅन रेग्युलरायज इट. फॉर एग्जांपल दे डोंट हॅव लीज एग्रीमेंट्स. एफिडेविटानूच आसा की मायनी बंद करप काय चालू करप हो अधिकार गोंय सरकाराचो. त्यामुळे गोंय सरकाराक आपलो अधिकार एक्झिक्यूट करपाक दिया. वी एश्योर सुप्रीम कोर्ट दॅट अनलेस वी आर सॅटिस्फायड ऑन लिगॅलिटी ऑफ इट आमी ते चालू करून दिवचे ना. हे आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक एश्योरन्स दिवपाक तयार. आणि तातूंत भितर आनी एक गजाल आसली भानगडी आहा त्यो आमच्यो न्हय जाल्यार फाटल्या सरकाराच्यो हे लक्षांत घालून.
Chalo Panji, mine-independent people have planned for a huge morcha on eve of Liberation Day in Panji. Thousands of people from mining belt are expected to march the streets of capital city as mark of protest. Congress and BJP both have forwarded their support to the morcha. Government too has in principle backed mine-independent people's morcha and show of strength.
Tomorrow, the entire rally will be very peaceful, orderly and dignified. That I assure you, and that I assure the people of Goa on behalf of the Goa Mining People's Front. It will be a very sizable rally, a huge rally. खुबशे आमदार, खुबशे लोकांचे प्रतिनिधीक त्यांनी आमकां आपलो तेंको प्रगट केल्लो आसा.
Anyone who is in trouble definitely will show his protest by there. No problem, as long as they don't do violence. I don't see any reason. And whatever promise I have received from them very clearly indicate that it's a peaceful march. They have to show their strength because the CEC report does not mention anything about it.
You see, आम्ही पयलीं सांगिल्लें आसा की we are all for to start the regular mines as early as possible. कारण आम्ही हांगसर फायनान्साचे कितले मोठे हे म्हणून आनी उलो हांगसर लोकांची परिस्थिती थंय फिल्डार वतरी कळटा. We are there. We are supporting this.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Chief Minister will raise Tilari and Madhe issue before the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh post-National Development Council meeting in Delhi. Savantwadi NCP MLA Deepak Kesarkar on Sunday had asked the Goa government to adopt rehabilitation plan on the lines of Maharashtra and provide employment or one-time settlement for Tilari affected people. Parrikar has made it clear that government has never committed jobs to Tilari affected locals. CM Parrikar will discuss the Tilari and Madhe dispute with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh after the NDC meeting in Delhi. The meeting is scheduled on 28th. CM has said that Goa government had not committed any jobs to the Tilari affected people.
28 तारखेक सकाळी 11 वरांचेर प्रायम मिनिस्टरान इरिगेशनच्या रिवर डिस्प्युटाच्या संदर्भात मिटींग आपयल्ली. थंय कलसा, बंडोरी आनी तो माधय आनी तिळारी हे दोनूय विशय त्या दिसा थंय मांडटलो.
Savantwadi MLA Deepak Kesarkar has appealed the Goa government to handle the Tilari issue on humanitarian ground. Kesarkar says that the issue should not be looked upon as Goa versus Maharashtra government, but it is about adopting a policy for the benefit of people who sacrificed their land for Tilari project.
आम्ही एका वेळेला तुमच्या वाटेचे सगळे जॉब्स मागत नाहीये. तुम्ही आरक्षण ठेवा. एका वर्षाला 5 लोकांना नोकरीला लागून दे ना, 10 लोकांना लागून दे, 20 लोकांना लागून दे, पण काहीतरी प्रक्रिया सुरू करा. उद्या तुम्ही दुसऱ्या राज्याला पैसे द्या आणि त्यांना सांगा तुमच्याकडे धरणं बांधा आणि आम्हाला पाणी द्या. कुठलं राज्य तुम्हाला पाणी द्यायला पुढे येतं ते बघूया ना. गोव्याचे मुख्यमंत्री फार ॲक्टिव्ह आहेत, लगेच डिसिजन घेतात. त्यांनी चर्चा करण्याची आणि ओपन माइंडने चर्चा करायची ठरवली. हा प्रश्न इझिली सुटू शकेल आणि आपण चर्चा करतोय असं जरी आलं तरी ताबडतोब आंदोलन मागे घेतलं जाऊ शकतं.
Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.